For customers, reliability is of utmost importance. After the products go through the manufacturing process, we conduct rigorous tests to ensure their quality. At SmartOfLink, every product undergoes strict short-circuit testing. About 99% of the units pass and move on to the next stage, while any defective ones are sent for repair. This ensures that only 100% qualified products are shipped out. After the optical module is completed, a signal receiving test is performed to determine whether the optical fiber is properly connected. Optical fiber power testing is like measuring blood pressure. Only when the readings fall within a specific range is the product considered qualified. If it fails, issues such as screen flickering and poor signal quality may occur. Quality inspections are conducted to ensure that no defective products are released into the market, achieving 100% quality control. Our R&D team validates every design before mass production. For testing evaluates the system's data transmission capability. It's similar to a human undergoing an ECG and a full medical checkup, a direct way to determine whether the system's heart is healthy. Diagram analysis. Only clean, stable signals can pass detection. We measure jitter, noise, rise time, and the margins of various parameters in the signal. Your brand, our quality. Every fiber tested, every signal verified. Partner with us and leave the impossible to our team.